Hop into the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. Answer the call to adventure in this clever and capable Ridgeline. From its ingenious cargo solutions and smooth ride to its powerful performance and customizable all-weather driving modes, this versatile pickup is ready to take you places in can-do style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, fog lamps, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Rough and ready meets smooth and sophisticated in this exquisitely versatile Honda Ridgeline. See for yourself when you come in for a test drive.